Hi, my name is Apoorva, and I recently attended an integral workshop focused on banana bark yarn, a sustainable and eco friendly material. The workshop, conducted by artisans who traveled all the way from Hampi, offered a unique opportunity to explore the versatility of banana bark in the both macrame and crochet. The banana bark, known for its durability and natural texture, is a fantastic alternative to synthetic fibers. It is created from the outer layers of banana stem. During the workshop, I learned how to incorporate the unique yarn into macrame designs and crochet projects, discovering its strength and rustic charm. The artisans from Hampi region, from known for its rich history and traditional craft, share their expertise and stories, adding a cultural dimension to the experience. Their knowledge and skill is working with banana bark yarn and made the
Yes,
workshop a
Gopal, they
memorable and
separated and
enchanting one.
into this.
Please see my journey and his thoughts on how from a bark to the
So
fiber.
what
Thank you for
what need to do
watching.
is, this needs to be wet. When it is wet, it is like flexible and easy to twist.
Okay.
It is handy. I took this and I taken this shade because now two strings are going to be twisted. So this part, because here I'll add one more ongoing and later I'll add here continuous yarn I'll make.
हाँ,
So
पूरा
that
बॉल बनाओगे मतलब इससे
huh?
पूरा बॉल बना सकते हो मतलब जितना ऐड करोगे उतना
या
बनेगा।
कंटिन्यूअस
हाँ।
लेंथ हमें कितना लेंथ चाहिए उतना बना सकते हैं टू मेक द बॉल लाइक अभी क्या करते हैं हमें लाइक वी विल मेक 100 meters ball
ठीक है
200
जितना यूज
meters
होगा
ball
अभी।
but artisans while they doing they continuous yarn like
अच्छा।
from morning to evening
हम्म।
once evening done they uh, trim the excess part and then they count and they make the ball we can make continuous yarn हमको कितना सही चाहिए वो सही हो सकता है अभी बताया ना लाइक ऐसा लिया है बिकॉज हियर अभी जॉइन नहीं करता नेक्स्ट इधर जॉइन ट्विस्टिंग क्या होता है ना टू स्ट्रिंग्स एक ही डायरेक्शन में एक ट्विस्ट होता है ट्विस्ट होने से ये भी आल्सो गिव्स फ्रूट फ्रॉम द स्टेम you know right from the stem they separate outer layers and in the center there will be a fruit and the outer layers of the bark those can be used in various ways nowadays banana fiber is exploring more people making fabric
Off the middle.
yeah we only take this part
Right.
yeah the thing you asked for the fabric it is how it is when we extract from the machine it looks like this without this also we can do
Okay.
two strings are twisted in one direction when this twisting happens more automatically here it goes twisting back you understand yeah we can make anything
So you're going the same direction both?
yeah listen look here madam look when we twist the yarn in one direction
both in same direction
same direction when more twisting happens automatically in the top ulta ho jata यही twisting
Oh, it
होता
goes
है
the other way.
what I'll do you can do it with your in your home like after this program you just take this square knot अच्छा से सीख लो like you can use other thread to make keychain not only keychain if you learn square knot you can do anything with square knot you can so much products with square knot first आप सभी क्या है ना ऐसा 5 strands ले लो
5 strands.
या इस 5 strands में आपका एक strand टोटल 5 इसमें आपका एक इसमें 4 ले लो तुम्हारा दे दो हाँ ओके ओके हाँ कितना हुआ आपका
Yeah.
हाँ
So
right.
I am what you call.
या यू डन दिस
I'm
फर्स्ट
dyslexic.
फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डू लाइक दिस
But then that knot will not.
हेलो हाँ मैडम हाँ ಯಾವುದು ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ನ ನನಗೆ से हमें खींचता है, कभी तक उसका अंदर मिनिमम इसका हाफ अंदर जाना है। इट इज फिनिश्ड नाउ। मैडम देखो अभी मैजिक नॉट,
Magic.
we'll do this, and next everybody have the needle.
Here I was making crochet rakis for my brothers from bark fiber, and it was amazing. The thread felt amazing. Didn't felt like
मैडम देखो,
cotton, or
अभी
like,
देखो,
you
अभी
know,
मैं
how
बैक
I
साइड पे
thought
ले
it would
रहा
be
है
much
कि बैक
difficult to
साइड
work
पे
with it,
ऐसा
but it was really amazing. I made some crochet rakis and I tied with a hand woven thread with it and some Vijanti mala seeds. It was amazing. It was a great experience, and it was integral to me to work with a new natural fiber. I mean, it was the best workshop I have ever taken. Please give me your thoughts in the comment below to tell me how do you feel about a banana fiber thread. And here is me going back to my house, and it was raining heavily. It was feeling like we were on a boat. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for joining me till here. Bye bye.